How to find blocking people on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find the people you have blocked on Facebook app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on those three lines up there, click on the setting icon beside the search icon, scroll down until you find blocking and click on it. And here you're gonna find blocked people, the people you have blocked. Once you block someone, that person can no longer see things you post on your timeline, and you're gonna find it on this list. And like you see, I haven't blocked anyone. This is why there is no list in here, and this is it. And you can unblock them by just click on it and click on unblock. And this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.